Don't reveal up too much yet, Sheriff. Me have to know the format. Right, so me say me I do a format tonight. We say King Nyah karaoke or something like that we do that now, so. Karaoke means say we are sing along. That means we don't really do that yet because it have some whole up thing, man. It have some whole up thing. Whole up thing. Oh, the news blame thing for tomorrow. Hold on. So hold on. We have to stop music little. I bring it down little. Pull it up and bring it down. Bring it down little. Bring it down, Nyah. And we are talking about King Nyah news blame. I'm not saying if we bring it down, Nyah. Too low this one. King Nyah news blame is a thing when I do on Sunday mornings. I Saturday mornings now, but I go switch it now. What I do Friday nights, I do this when I call King of Jamaica show. The entertainment kind of package, and we discuss entertainment issues. Like how tonight what we're discussing is Skippa tell the little youth, 14-year-old a man who is a fan of his, a young man who's a fan of his, a boy who's a fan of his, who sharing music and all these things. Say, yo, him not take picture with man. I don't know if it's so, but I hear that on TikTok. And you know TikTok not tell lie, don't it? No lie on TikTok, so you know what's true. Well, on, so let's find out what else is true, because what we talk on Sunday morning is truths. And what I want to do is give the headlines of for King Nyah news blame, meaning news blame. We're blaming, man, we are smoke, know that word there. We mix up the news we're going for the week. That. For the week we're gone, we know on Sunday like the end of the week kind of mids we're going, the whole year work going, all these things, yeah. And that we are do for Jamaican news. Let me see one like we have some things in it so far. We have the woman we work in ice we call woman we call some people on ice, America. It's America story, but it, you know an immigration thing it relates with we. I make sure them are hearing and I hear myself, them are hearing my right there in mic, man. Alright, so I news we blame. News blame, you know, where I say, how do you get on there? Whether that's the whole fuck me right that I sit near to, you know. JC student get beat up. Now hold on. There's that me say, but it have more to it, obviously. Because JC win school talent quiz. Some people on TikTok don't know that because they're not pre. None of them, the bright people things are not TikTok people things. I don't know. So my people on TikTok offended when I say that. Them they are the bright people. But watch this. JC win school talent quiz and JC win champs, boys champs. But JC also beat up on little youth up there too. Them bring that on the news. So like, my name so sure why that company news because little youth are beat up all the while. And them things I talk about go deep. See, you see, I start chant this something would have go and say how I chant about that shit. On the news blame. Real package when I do early morning, 6:30 and them time there. When you lie down in your bed, you scroll and you buck up King Nyah, watch me pre them kind of thing. Juliet Oldness and Candid. Candid is one show up on TVJ where Juliet Oldness company for the Juliet Oldness for us on TikTok who don't know is the Prime Minister wife. Right. MP for a year. I mean I know neither because I'm on TikTok too long, I get fooled now too. But she come on Candid. Candid I want show up on TVJ with one of them TVJ at girl. At big man. No one big. I mix up Simone Clark and them people again. Can't tell me some fuck about my teeth and them with them more. Big up King Nyah we reach you and I just swam again with no media girl love personally. Well who don't know personally Juliet Oldness and you get that kind of view upon her pan Candid and I'll talk about it. Watch the whole interview. But Santa Cruz flooding, US job like tax exempt scandal. Oh God, man. Russian oil reach a Cuba. Carnival, okay. The Dominican Republic of Congo beat reggae boys. You don't know that already. But we still have to go down deeper and it might have some deeper issues. I could have go on and the Skippa issue is one of the issues them. And we want to go into that issue there tonight. We now wait for the whole news blame thing there to go into that Virginia levels. Because at them levels they were head to. Them levels there. Where DJ Mac go. We like that. Yeah, we like this. Yeah, we like this. You see this? We like this Skippa. I don't really run down the rhythm, but I like the unity in a dance hall. I like the excitement. But me have a warning for Skippa. Warning for Skippa. We are record. We have a warning for Skippa. Turn it down. You can't dance to it. I dance. Where you do to it? Where you do to this? Me don't know. You can't do to it. Me don't really like the rhythm, but me rate what I go on. Turn it down. Turn it down. Me don't rate the rhythm, but me rate what I go on. In a dance hall in general. What I do rate, aside from rhythm, is what Skippa deal with. Skippa, I tell him, me have a voice note them from Yasa, nice. Nice, me I go in on my WhatsApp with them on my laptop and play it loud, nice speaker for hear my bridging them and say about the fact say, Skippa, tell one 14-year-old youth, according to TikTok rumors, say, him not take picture with man. Maybe he might say that as a joke little bit and it, I don't know, or he might did in a bad mood the day and say that, or he might have pre them fuck with it for real. I don't know, but I think we should be organizing that. Don't even type me in the comments in your opinion, whoever in a TikTok now or pray. Don't even bother type in the comments. Go in my message inbox. If it burn you like that and you want to say something about it, don't say it in the comments because I don't understand TikTok yet. And I can't get to capture the comments. If you want to tell me how to do that in the message box, I salute you. If you want to tell me all kind of fuck with me, I say fuck me, I talk about Skippa, Batman, and we like that about him. If you want to say that in my inbox, me I go read that and say, oh, that's some fuckery. I gotta talk about this on my TikTok. But I wouldn't block you from doing that. Go in my inbox and pour out in the art in a message and make a connect. Round them kind of issue. Because it's a shut the fuck now, Skippa. Shut up now, DJ Mac and Skippa. Shut up. Shut shit now, DJ Mac and Skippa. Well on. Bumbo Clad, the rhythm I get kind of annoying. I never know some me that go play it now. You know, long me avoid play that rhythm there, and I just through the issue with Skippa now. Watch this. We are going to see, because I already show how I say me that run it now, but we are dealing with it. It's a run. See Virginia, how we can do it. See that, alright, him name Skippa for the big people on it to now. I say, who them attack about who name sir? And so you know you all know when me have to show you that. Say him name sir. Where Skippa, and many people in my age group don't know who the fuck names are neither, because mostly while me know true, me I try grow up on the social media thing, so me try to know. But really and truly, after a while, I know in a browse. I go in a Skippa mix, me Google type in YouTube a Skippa mix. And say, alright, I go and listen to some Skippa here, Skippa deal. Because last year, I know about him, he was a 15-year-old youth, I do a Marcus Garvey show at DXOD. Big up DXOD, salute all the DXOD people. Yo, Gia, hopefully you're still up at DXOD. Where I say, up at DXOD, a youth named TJ, the rudest youth up at DXOD, a drumming thing where I organize, I play 2 drum and do some dancing with it. Marcus Garvey thing, and Marcus Garvey wife come from up there. There's some kind of barn and growing that at Jake's Road, Kingston, Jamaica, little south of Stadium. Right. TJ said to me last year summer when me and him sit down front of the